Hello, in this video, I'll explain how to work with Microsoft List New Forms. You can see this new feature from your list toolbar like this. Microsoft has recently launched this feature. From your list toolbar, you can see this feature. And this is my sample list, which holds financial related stuff where I have various types of columns with various data types. And if you want to try, you also should have a similar setup. A sample list with various data types of columns. So let's get started how to work with this forms. Like right from creating a form and sharing the link with users. I will show you in this video. Now just click on this Forms menu. The new form creation screen opens. Here I can see my all previously created forms. I'm just going to create one more new form. I'll just click here. By the way, you can say this is your modern forms library. So whatever the forms you will create, those will be listed out here. I am going to click on this new form. By default, when I click on this new form, automatically, whatever the columns I have in that list, all the columns selected here and displayed in the form. If you don't need certain columns not to be displayed here, we can hide it. How we can hide it? Go to the Customize sections, which are already selected, and uncheck whichever columns you don't want to show on the form. I will just select some of them. I have checked only title, country,
Gross sales on date.
I am just simplifying my form. See whichever columns I unchecked from here. Those won't be shown anymore in this form. Next, what I will do is just name this form Collect. Global sales data, and I will write some description about this form here. Already I have copied the description. This is my description in the moment I type this right here, and it is being shown here now. Let's see now. Let's see what types, columns, support here as of now. Click here, and we can see single line text, choice, number, date, multi-line text, yes, no, person, hyperlink, and currency. Be aware that, as of now, we can't have attachment control. This is my country choice column, where already I have added a few countries. If you want to make your column required, just turn this toggle on. Otherwise, turn this off. And if you want to delete certain items from choice list, just click on this delete list. I will just remove it. Then I'll add it back. Let's explore the column settings. This is Column Settings menu. If you click on that, the Edit Column pane opens, and from there you can do you want to edit. This is just the traditional way of editing column pane that you know. So let's continue. Then if you want to move up or down, we also can do it like. Click on the Move Up or Down menu. Next, you can even hide that too. If you click on that hide, it is not showing any more in this
I did
form.
that.
I will just select that back. So, basically, this is how the form and column are designed. Here, I've just shown one column. But the concept is the same for other columns. I am checking the data types of the columns. For date time, whether you want to include time or not, that is also here. This is all about the form design. Now we discussed about the show or hide fields. If you want to configure the themes of this form, how can I do so? Let's go to the Themes, Expanded. You can select your needed theme for your form from here. See the changes in the form. You can create your own style as well. You can select your background theme, then theme color. Right. Then go to the settings. If you want to stop accepting responses, after a certain period of time, turn this toggle off. And turn this on to accept responses. When you turn this off, you'll see this message. We're not accepting responses at the moment. When you turn this toggle on, you can see this message. Your response has been submitted. Even you can change these message settings as well. Now, I'll see this form in preview mode to see how this looks like. Yes, this is my form, how the user will see and submit the form. This form is used to collect global sales data, and you will see. Hi user, when you submit this form, the owner will see your name and email address. This is the title and sales country column. This is a product selection column. Now, if I want to share this form link with users, then how can we share this link? Just click on this copy link from the Send Form menu. That link has been copied and I can open it from here. You can share this with your users. I have opened this form using the copied link. We'll just type something here. Demo. Sales data 2. Select country as Australia, product as computer. Gross sales as 50,000. Then you select the date. Then click on Submit button. I can see Thank you.
Your response has been submitted. Submit another response.
If I click here, I can submit my another response. And if you click on this Try It button, this will take you to the Microsoft list creation screen. Like this, so you can create your Microsoft new list from here. So I'm not going there. Let's come back to my list and let's see the data what I have submitted from my form. Filter with country Australia. And see, this is the data I have submitted, and I can see from here. The coolness of this form model is once user submit the response, user will not be able to see the previously saved data or the list item in the backend. They can only see the UI form, and using that, they can submit the response. That's it. Once users submit the form, they cannot see the data from the list. List items are hidden from the users. Users may not be given permission to the list, but they should belong to your organization. Then, they can submit the response or form using the shared link. Now let's go back to see my forms from the Forms library. Yes, now I can see my form, which I created. Just now collect global sales data. It is here. And if you see the form is in green mode, which is an open state, that means that form is active. Click on the Stop Accepting Responses to stop. Accept responses. You can create a duplicate of this form and delete it as well. So let's click on this form. You can see your form in edit mode. Click on the Edit the form to open it in edit mode, then you can do whatever you want to edit. Now, I want to stop accepting responses. That also I can do from here. Let's click on this. And before stopping, we can see a message. People will not be able to respond to the form links you shared. The moment I clicked on the Stop Accepting Responses, the form mode changed to closed with a red color icon. Now, I can see it is changed to red from green. Let's enable the form back to active. It's enabled now again. We will be able to create a duplicate of this form. That also you can do. Just click on Duplicate. See my duplicate copy of that form. It is created here. I'll just delete it. How can I delete it? Just click on the Delete button before deleting. You will get a confirmation message. This form and its content will be permanently deleted. However, the responses to the form will stay in the list. I will click on the Delete Form button. Now, my form has been deleted. This is done. That's it. I will close this screen. Now, if you want to hide this forms from the list toolbar. How can we do that? There might be many users who are not ready to adopt this new form feature yet. And then they might not like this at this moment. So, how can we hide it? From this toolbar? Let's click on this Format Current View. Then click on the Advanced mode. Just replace this JSON with this JSON. I had my JSON ready, which I pasted here. The moment I click the Preview button here, forms get hidden from the List toolbar. See that the Forms feature has been hidden now. That's it from today's demo. I hope you enjoyed and liked it. And if you would like to appreciate my efforts, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.